Samsung finally leaks reveals stunning new Galaxy smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S21 range is launching surprisingly soon with a radical design change. And now we know about another stunning upgrade. Thanks to new information from popular industry insider Ice Universe, subsequently confirmed by respected leaker Max Jambor, we know Samsung has made the shock decision to make the Galaxy S21 potentially called Galaxy S30 compatible with the Galaxy Note S Pen. Yes, I can 100% confirm that S21 Ultra supports S Pen. It states Ice Universe with Jambor clarifying it. Important to say here, it only supports it. It does not have a separate shaft for it. I can imagine that there will be a case similar to the Tab S7 device that holds the S Pen on the rear. If correct, Samsung has just made one of the biggest changes to the Galaxy S lineup in years, primarily because the impact on the Galaxy Note range is likely to be profound. In recent generations, Samsung has merged these design aesthetics and specifications of the Galaxy S and Note models so closely that the only real difference between them is a 6-month wait, inferior battery life, and S Pen. Consequently, a Galaxy S21 Ultra with a stylish S Pen case gives very little reason for a Note 21 Ultra to exist. Rumors about the Note's demise have existed for over a year, but now the end may be close with Samsung's tip to dedicate the Note's launch timeframe solely to foldables such as the next generation's version of the Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Fold 2. Fans of the Galaxy Note range are among the most loyal in the industry, so Samsung may be playing with fire here, but for the majority, this strategy just might make sense. That said, with an eye-catching design now coming alongside S Pen support, the Galaxy S21 looks set to see Samsung's fold-free smartphones start 2021 with a bang. So you think this is Samsung's biggest mistake, or this is what Samsung should do? Make sure to leave your idea in the comment box below, and we will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.